Bangalore, 27 September 2025, the campus of Sir M. Visveshwaraya Institute of Technology, under the Sri Krishnadevaraya Educational Trust, came alive with joy, vibrance, and youthful spirit as Arambh 2025, the Freshers' Day celebration, unfolded in grandeur. This prestigious institution, named after the legendary engineer and Bharat Ratna Sir M. Visveshwaraya, opened its arms to welcome the new batch of students into a journey of knowledge, innovation, and transformation. The celebration titled Arambh 2025 marked a new beginning, a stepping stone into higher education, dreams, and opportunities. The event commenced with a warm welcome address, where students, parents, and faculty gathered to witness this vibrant celebration. With eager faces and hopeful hearts, the freshers were welcomed into the MVIT family. The inauguration ceremony began with the traditional lighting of the lamp by esteemed dignitaries. Dr. Manoj Kumar, Chief Executive Officer, Hindustan Technology Group, Bangalore, and chief guest of the occasion. Shri V. Srinivas Raju, Founder, Trustee and President, Sri Krishnadevaraya Educational Trust. Shri K.V. Shekhar Raju, Founder, Trustee and Chairman, Academic Committee of the Trust. Shri K. Narayana Raju and Shri K.C. Chandrasekhar Raju, Founder, Trustees of the institution. Professor Rakesh S.G., Principal of MVIT. Dr. Bharti Ganesh, Vice Principal of MVIT. Special invitee Miss Navya Raju together lit the ceremonial lamp, signifying knowledge, wisdom, and the bright journey ahead for the new students. Addressing the gathering, Chief Guest Dr. Manoj Kumar, Chief Executive Officer of Hindustan Technology Group, Bangalore, inspired the young minds with his words of wisdom. He reminded students that India today has a thriving ecosystem of more than 16,000 startups and emphasized the significance of the services sector, which contributes to nearly 70% of the nation's economy. He urged students to seize these opportunities to transform the country's wealth into economic strength and to move beyond marks by focusing on knowledge, innovation, research, skill development, and socially responsible technical solutions. In his words, students must be alert, socially conscious, and future-ready to shape a stronger nation. Founder, Trustee and President of Sri Krishnadevaraya Educational Trust, Shri V. Srinivas Raju, highlighted the rare opportunity that today's youth have, the chance to shape the nation's future. He proudly emphasized how MVIT unites science, health, and engineering under one roof, providing a holistic platform for learning and innovation. He expressed confidence that the dreams and determination of students will be the driving force to realize the vision of a strong nation. Shri K.V. Shekhar Raju, Founder, Trustee and Chairman of the Academic Committee, shared his inspiring thoughts with the freshers. He described Freshers' Day as a new chapter in the life of every student, a moment to embrace new methods of learning, to aim higher, and to chart one's unique path to success. He advised students to rise above negativity, fear, and dishonesty while focusing on personality development and self-discovery. His words resonated with young minds, motivating them to dream big and act with integrity. The event also recognized excellence in academics and research. Students ranked at Visveshwaraya Technological University were awarded with cash prizes, celebrating their outstanding achievements. At the same time, faculty members were honored with research incentive grants, encouraging them to pursue impactful innovations that serve society. This gesture reaffirmed MVIT's commitment to nurturing talent and fostering a culture of research and development. this occasion, Chief Guest Dr. Manoj Kumar and special invitee Ms. Navya Raju were felicitated by the institution in recognition of their contributions and gracious presence at Arambh 2025. The day was filled with vibrant cultural programs, enthusiastic participation, and heartwarming interactions between students, teachers, and parents. Freshers' Day at MVIT was not just an event, it was a celebration of talent, unity, and aspirations, leaving lasting memories for everyone present. As the curtains came down on Arambh 2025, the Freshers' Day at Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, the message was clear: the future belongs to the prepared, the passionate, and the persistent. From innovation to inspiration, MVIT continues to ignite young minds to create a brighter tomorrow.
The comet case and whatnot. And if you've made it through those rigorous tests, you will definitely make it through these next 4 years. Unless, of course, you forget to submit your assignments on time. But jokes aside, now that you're here, let me be honest with you. The real exam starts today. Remember this: your board exams got you into college, but what you do here in the next 4 years will get you into life. And that's why I want to share with you 3 truths that no syllabus will ever teach you. The first truth is this: before you can grow, you must let go. And there are a few things worth letting go of. The first is identity. Your identity is like a mirror covered in dust. And that dust is made out of what others think about you. It's other people's opinions, expectations, obligations, and the pressure to be someone you are not. And over time, you start to mistake that dust for who you are. When you walk into college, the first thing people try to do is label you. You'll be called the backbencher, or the introvert, or maybe the one who never brings plan records on time. But here's the truth: none of those labels are your identity.
Institution to a great level, which have contributed talents at the large to the society. So during my conversation, I will give you some inspiring words as requested by sir, and also I will interact with some of you to understand what is your aspirations and future innovations, what you think of, how we can take this country forward. So I see the word graduates. I see you can say the freshers. So how many of you think that it can be renamed to something else? The mic can be circulated. I would like to request young graduates who are like what as freshers today to suggest a word which can replace freshers. What can be the best fit for freshers? Innovation starts from today. Just think what can be the best replacement for freshers, including Navya Raju. I would like to ask. So we have a best example here sitting in front of us. Can anybody say the best replacement for fresher word? What can be the best word? Anybody?
President of America, like the way he did. Who would have thought that an young man like Sundar Pichai, who could take on the greatest force, it is today and I have a great hope in this future for sure. And who makes it? It is new technological advancement, the science advancement, and we have seen with the health advancement how we can build a nation. And strangely, in this campus, we have a combination of science, health, and engineering all together. And yet again, our commitment is because we have the name of Visvesvaraya, for he had great dreams to make this nation great. And we see it happening after a long, long time. And who should fructify it, my friends? It is you. And I know when I am addressing you, I am addressing the future. And I'm also very clear that until we nurture our future, we have no future. And to nurture our future, we have to nurture our nature and, of course, inculcate a new culture. I was having a discussion with Manoj and telling him that we have to build a wholesome people. And that can happen only when you engineers not only become good engineers, but also become good human beings. I'm very clear that one becomes a good human being only by perpetration of art and also, of course, music, crafts, more than all, having purity of thought. I wonder that one little girl gave a wonderful expression of what it is all about, and I have great hope in it. I would only like to say the next 3, 4 years will be a great place here for your metamorphosis. I won't even say transformation. You will see that this campus will be much greener than what you are seeing today. For each of you will be involved in a program called as Each One Plant One. And it will be not only open to you students, it will be open to the community. A long time back when I left from here, after planting, I had to go out in the world to come back again. And now I've come with the dictum that I'm not going to dream but realize. I'm not going to pretend but be. I'm not going to talk but act. From all that we heard to make a difference, of all that Manoj Kumar said, is that of the research, incubation, innovation, consultancy, entrepreneurship. We are synonymous with the rise. And I assure you that this institution will rise again, and will show the whole world what it means.
And expectation to help the student to feel comfortable in their new surroundings, and also they establish healthy and daily routine and foster meaningful bonds among students and faculties. The program commenced with formal inauguration ceremony and celebration of 58th National Engineering Day in the theme of Deep Tech and Engineering Excellence Driving India TechEd on 15th September 2025, presided over by our Honorable President Sri Srinivas Raju, KET, Chief Guest Mr. Mahesh Agde, Founder and CEO, Learnex Consulting Private Limited, and our beloved Principal Professor Rakesh ST. In his welcome address, he greeted the first year students.
Great privilege and honor to be part of this Aram welcoming of the graduate and say the new freshers. I am very happy to be part of this program and I wish all of them all the best. Thank you.
So what do you want to say the students the future upcoming?
I recommend them to be innovators, innovate, learn, experiment, and connect more with the industries so that they can learn more and more skills other than the regular learning in their course.
ಇಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ 1000 ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೆಸರೇ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ. ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಹುಡುಗರದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆ.
Thank you so much to the Honorable Board of Trustees, Principal Dr. Rakesh sir, and Vice Principal Bharti Ganesh ma'am for giving me this honor to be part of RM 2025. I'm truly grateful and humbled to be part of this special day. It's my best wishes to all the brand new engineers of tomorrow and the class of 2029.